Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. O from Connections Academy Middle School. This is the Welcome and Expectations for Social Studies at Connections Academy Middle School Google Slides. So, welcome. Hello, students and parents, if you're watching. I have truly missed you all and sincerely hope you and your families are doing well. I know our new normal is a lot to get used to, the adjustments with not being in school or parents not being at work. And definitely the difference in how we interact in society has definitely been a big change. And I know due to the COVID-19 pandemic, our schools are closed until May the 15th. But we'll definitely get through this and we're all getting adjusted. A lot of your teachers, myself included, are using new platforms and teaching remotely now, something that we're used to teaching face to face. So it's definitely a difference for us. But that being said, that means that our classes will be held via Google Classroom. And so this slide will basically give you some information regarding that. So what it will entail will be the Google Classroom expectations, class meeting times and office hours, contact information, so how to contact me directly, which will be via email, directions to complete the quiz for this presentation, which will be a Google form at the end just to make sure you went through and understood and everything was clarified. So the expectations and procedures, please use your Wake County Public School System email to contact your teacher, myself, and any other teachers that you have at Connections Academy Middle School or in Wake County, period. Listen to pre-recorded lessons and complete and submit independent assignments. So Mondays and Wednesdays of every week until further notice, I will be coming to you with a 10-minute or less pre-recorded lesson. You go through, listen to it, and then you'll have some type of activity that correlates with it at the end. So also reach out, contact your teacher, me, if you need any additional help. I'm here for you. So let me know. We're in a group collaboration, which will actually be collaborating through Google Meets, or Google Meet rather. And it's a feature where you can chat, video chat. And also if you feel like you don't want to be on camera, you can use the audio feature where you cut your camera off, but I can hear you. So it's just basic etiquette will be please don't blurt out comments. Wait your turn to contribute or speak during the conversation. And if you want to say something, just use the chat feature and let me know you have a question on the side. And that way I can call on you, and when it's your turn, you can let me know whatever you want to contribute to the conversation. So as I say in my classroom, you all know Miss O, you know how I am. Be respectful. Make sure that, we're not using language that's inappropriate. We're not talking about things that's not regarding the content or that I wouldn't allow that topic in our classroom. And if you're going to be on camera, which I hope you all are, make sure you wear school appropriate attire. Make sure you don't have anything with any comments or words on it that you couldn't wear to school. Make sure just we're all appropriate, okay, because you're on camera. So class meeting times are Mondays and Wednesdays from 9:25 until 10:10. And so that'll be every Monday and every Wednesday. During that time, you can dedicate that time to my class. But like I said before, the lessons are pre-recorded. And you have that time to go up and do what you need to do. I also have daily office hours Monday through Friday, and that's from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So if there's anything that you need to ask me regarding some of the work, let me know so that we can I can call you, or I can video chat with you through Google Meet, or I can call and we can actually talk on the phone about whatever confusion there was with the assignment. So small group collaborations will be every Friday. No, it may not be everyone on every Friday, but I will definitely let you know the groups and what time to meet, which will be 1 to 2. And through that, students can ask questions. They can talk and chat about content and school-related topics. Of course, Miss O will be in that chat, and get additional help from teachers. So if there's anything that you really didn't understand and we didn't, let's say it was Thursday, and we didn't meet on it, and you just want to ask me something during that time, please feel free to do that, regarding school-related assignments or anything school-related. So the contact information for me will be my Gmail, and it says tsessions@wakecountypublicschoolsystem.net. Make sure you email me from your school email as well. And that's basically all the information that I have for today. That'll be probably the only assignment I'll probably assign today. I just want you all to get acquainted with being on Google Classroom, getting used to it. I know you're going to have classes or assignments for every class today. So Wednesday, I'll actually have an actual assignment for you to do this content related. But just remember that just to take a deep breath. I know it's a lot to take in. It's definitely different for us. To me, it's such a crazy thing because we've read about these pandemics and epidemics in history. So we're actually like making history now because we're actually experiencing something where it's definitely changing the way our society flows, how we interact with each other. Being having to quarantine and having to find other means of communication with each other. So thank God we're in the technology age. I don't have to scrap a letter to a pigeon and send it for communication. We have phones, we have video chats. So I thank God that we're in that age period where we're not, isolated and you can't see anyone but the people in your house. But just know that, relax, know it's going to be okay. And then as the conquerors that we are, Connections Academy conquerors, we will definitely conquer and get over this thing together. Know that I love you all and I miss you all very much. I miss saying sit down and calling you all's names, and I talk about you every day. So this too shall pass. And remember that take care of yourself, take care of your family, and remember I'm here if you need me. So you all have a great day, be blessed, and I will see you all Wednesday at 9:25 sharp. Bye.